Hello YouTube, it's me again Chris, and today I'm gonna do another product review from something I purchased in Shopee, of course, the ever so popular and trusted online seller in the Philippines, by me at least. Okay, so today I'm gonna show you a microphone that I purchased from an online shop, and here's the name of their shop. It's One Gadget, and they're an official distributor of Boya and a lot of other stuff. Let me tell you more about their shop before I proceed, though. Give me one sec. Alright, so One Gadget is a shop located in San Juan City, Metro Manila. They have loads of products on their page, on their Shopee page, from lights to tripods to camera accessories, batteries, hand grips, lenses. They have awesome lenses. So if you're into vlogging, or if you want to make content, or at least, or even photography, if you want to start out, find really cheap but good items like the Yongnu lenses, they have it. And I'm telling you right now, they offer the lowest price out of all the shops that I've seen online, in Shopee at least. So let me just go ahead and see what their shops is about them. Okay, just bear with me here. It's taking quite some time to load. My internet's not really good at the moment, but they did share their social media accounts, their Facebook account and their Instagram account. So please check it out. It's at One Gadget PH. Again, at One JUAN Gadget PH. All right. I'm not sponsored, by the way. I'm just doing this because I really like them. They're very professional. They respond quick. They're straightforward. No beating around the bush, and they've it's been a pleasant experience with them. So check them out. Check them out. I do hope that you take a look at their page. I'm pretty sure if you're like me, who's trying to find good deals, who's into videos, and if you want to save money, they're the place to go too. Okay, so check them out, and let's proceed with the actual item. All right, so again, this is the BY-M1 Lavalier. I'm gonna show you the contents because I've already unboxed it. I was so excited when I got it because they have very good reviews. Right now, I'm actually using my computer microphone on my camera, so it's gonna sound different. I'm later on. I'm gonna test the actual lavalier, so you could make comparison with how the lav mic sounds. Okay. Now, this Boya lavalier. Uh, okay, I'm trying to read the actual description of the item, but I guess the one they have on their page is the same at the back. So, basic features: it's a clip-on mic for smartphones, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC, etc. Omnidirectional condenser microphone. High quality condenser is ideal for video use. Thank you, Captain Obvious. And of course, it provides low handling noise. That's very important, especially if you're a vlogger. You want to cancel out all the unnecessary sound from the environment where you're shooting at. And it includes this lapel clip, LR44 battery, and a foam windscreen, and a 1-port adapter. Here's the adapter that came along with it. And this is my, for some reason, I really love this pouch. I might even like it more than the mic, but seriously, it's really cool. Has silicone gel inside just to make sure that everything stays dry. And the battery, I'm gonna show you where to put the battery in. I mean, sorry. Okay, this is the slot where you put the LR44 battery, right? So I'm gonna pause this video for a bit so I could attach this microphone, and then you can make comparison with how the lavalier pairs up against a standard mic. My microphone has a condenser, by the way, so it does cancel out a lot of unnecessary sound. The dog's neighbors right now are going crazy. I can't even hear myself, but the mic is performing well. So, but that's for another video. So, before I do that, let me just show you. If you want to use this microphone on your mobile phone, all you simply need to do is toggle this switch. The camera is not auto-focusing. There's a switch here. Give me 1 second. Let me focus that. My camera's not picking it up. Okay. There's a switch here that says off smartphone and on if you're attached or if it's attached to a camera. So let's go ahead and test it out. Stay tuned. Now I just switched the microphone on. The actual lav is about 4 or 5 inches away from my mouth. You should hear me clearly because I've tested this. It's a very good mic. This was the mic that I was using earlier. I got it from Shopee too, from Shop in China. Very cheap as well. Now you can make a comparison on how this sounds like. Mind you, when I showed you the lav earlier, you could see that it came with a very long cable. And if you're a vlogger or if you want to make content and you're not really like me, you're not showing yourself on the camera, you're not doing a lot of movement or action, you don't need the wireless capability. This is a very good mic for you to have. It only costs, let me go back. It only costs 399 pesos. It's a very, very good deal, trust me. Let me see how much a standard wireless lavalier costs. Give me 1 sec. I'm actually gonna check their page as well, just so you can make a comparison. But like I said, they sell items at very, very competitive prices compared to other shops. They probably have the best prices out there. So just bear with me here. They also have lavaliers for GoPro. Let me try to show you. Here's my phone. For a standard wireless lavalier, ranges from 4,000 and up. Yeah, you know what? Just go ahead and check out their shop. Check it out for yourself. Again, it's One Gadget. I'm gonna leave a link on the description below, and also their social media accounts so you could check them out. What can I say about this mic? For its price point, it's really, really good. I thought about getting the Boya shotgun type microphone, but I felt that I needed the lavalier more so that I could just clip the actual mic to my shirt and just go ahead and talk. Unlike if you're dealing with a shotgun microphone, you have to worry about where to point it, and of course, the farther you are from the microphone, the more the quality decreases. I didn't like that. I wanted to have a consistent audio quality with my videos. You can have really bad videos, but people will forgive you if you have good audio. That's my observation. So go ahead and check them out, please. I have a couple more items to rate or to review. Watch out for that. So that's it for this video. Again, it's a Boya BY-M1, 399 pesos. Awesome quality, awesome build. Feels really sturdy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. Very long cable or wire. You could really move around and talk. And again, really good people. So try them out. Check them out. Highly recommend them. Alright, so see you on the next video. Good night.